Use of different kinds of food containers in gardening. Today the topic is that. Let's see how I'm going to use these containers in my garden. Use of waste plastic in gardening. So today I will show you how to use these ice cream cups, and there are some food waste cups also, which we bring food from shops, and we'll be using them in our garden as planters. So I will show you how to use them. So the first thing is to make drainage holes in these. Now I have made drainage holes in these. So after that you can fill them with sand and select your plants wisely. After making these drainage holes, you can fill these with soil and select your plants. So now my soil mixture is ready for these small planters, and see, you can easily use these waste plastics in your gardening. These plastic containers are, some are food containers, some are ice cream containers. So we always get these type of containers to our homes. So reuse them. That is also a kind of recycling, good for nature. And here I have selected some of the plants. One is a spider plant, which will fit into small pots. The other one I have selected is a golden marble queen pothos. And next is this wandering Jew, which will fit into any small pot. So next one is this moss rose, small stems of moss rose. So I thought of putting it in the other one. So let's put them in these planters. So now I have planted a spider plant in this small plastic container, and also a pothos plant. Here I have two small stems of moss rose and a wandering Jew stem. So these small plastic containers you can use as your planters. So now I'm going to give them a good mist spray. You can keep these small pots inside the bigger pots to give it a more decorative look. And also the other thing is, these shade loving plants will get the shade of the bigger plants. So you can always keep these small planters inside the bigger pots. There are many benefits. One is a decorative idea. The second one is, the small plants are getting kind of a shade from the bigger plant if you have keep these plants outdoors. You can simply add these small planters inside the bigger planters and decorate them. Or else what you can do is simply take all coffee mugs, and you can decorate it by putting these plastic containers inside them. So you can do it that way as well. So when you water these plants, if you overwater, that will go and collect in the mug inside. So that is another way of decorating with these plants. So how about the idea of using waste material, especially these food containers, in gardening? Comment below. How do you feel like? Do you like my creative idea? So hope you find this video very useful. So as you can see, we can use many waste material for our gardening. So these are gardening ideas that I have shared with you in my channel today. If you are new, consider subscribing.